Now I'm going to discuss about the AI in regulatory compliance. This is most important. That is, what are the things? Number one, reduces false positives. That is, traditional compliance systems generates too many false alerts, overwhelming compliance team. AI refines detection models, improve accuracy. Number two, enhance speed and efficiency. AI automates risk assessment and investigations, significantly reducing compliance cost. Then detects emerging risks. AI analyzes large volumes of data to identify evolving fraud patterns that manual process may miss. Fourth, improves regulatory adherence. AI ensures business stay updated with global regulations through automated monitoring and reporting. Second, key applications of AI in compliance. What are the key applications? AI powered transaction monitoring. One of the most critical use cases AI compliance is transaction monitoring for financial crime detection. AI driven system analyze transaction pattern to identify suspicious activities such as money laundering, fraud, and terrorist, that is financing. How AI improves, that is transaction monitoring, real time anomaly detection. AI detects unusual transaction behavior instantly, adapts risk scoring instead of rigid rule based models. AI continuously learn from past cases. So data analysis in the past cases. Reduction of false alert. AI filters out irrelevant alerts, focusing only on high risk transactions. Example, AI based compliance platform like, that is Tukiatic, FinSense, leverage, that is federated, that is learning to enhance transaction monitoring across institution without compromising data privacy. AI for customer due diligence, DCDE, that is there is know your KYC and the customer due diligence are mandatory compliance process in financial institutions. Also also AI driven name screening and advanced media monitoring. So these are the few things are most essential. Also AI for regulatory reporting and audit automation. Listen carefully. This is most important. That is, regulatory reporting is one of the most source, that is intensive tasks for business. AI driven compliance platform. See, these are the, what are the platform? Automated report generation to meet regulatory requirements efficiency. Second is detect anomalies in compliance records before audits. Ensure adherence to global finance regulation. For example, FATF, GRPR, MAS, OCC. Example, AI powered compliance dashboards provide real time compliance insights and alert business of potential regulatory breaches before they occur. The role of fraud detection and risk management. See, this is the most important part, that is that is artificial intelligence can contribute in the regulatory compliance. That is how AI detect fraud more effectively than traditional method. Unlike traditional fraud detection methods that rely on present rule, AI uses advanced analytics to uncover hidden fraud pattern. AI-based fraud detection system analyze vast amount of structured and unstructured data in seconds. Second, identify suspicious behavior and spending patterns and deviate from normal activity. So manually if you want to do, that is the lot of corrections and error, and or it will take time. There is a high chance for many points you will miss. Adapt to new fraud tactic using real time machine learning. Example, there is how AI improves risk management for compliance team. What is the contribution of AI in the risk management team? Predictive analysis help organization foresee compliance risks. AI powered dashboard provides real time risk assessment. Behavior, behavioral analytics detect insider threats and unauthorized access. That is bottom line. AI enable compliance team to move from reactive risk assessment to proactive prevention. The most important things. This one, the future of AI compliance. So that is second is there is federated learning collaborative AI instead of rely on individual data slots. All powered compliance platform will collaborate across financial institution, improving detection accuracy without compromising data privacy. Second, generative AI and large language model LLM for compliance investigations. AI powered chatbots and virtual compliance assistants will automate regulatory requires inquiries and risk analysis. These are the process we are applying in America, that is Boston, US. That is the explainable AI, XAI, and compliance transparency. As AI driven compliance becomes widespread, regulators will demand greater transparency in AI decision making. Future AI models will need to explain why a transaction is flawed, as suspicious as an auditable way. The last point is AI powered AML and fraud prevention ecosystems. AI will power community driven compliance networks where institutions, that is when shared real world fraud scenario and emerging threats to strengthen collective risk management. So this is the conclusion. AI is reshaping the compliance landscape, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient, from transaction monitoring and fraud detection to regulatory reporting and risk management. AI is empowering financial institutions to stay ahead of compliance risks, which reducing cost and inefficiencies. For what business looks to future proof their compliance strategies. AI powered platform like Taki and FinSense offer smarter, more adaptive approach to financial crime prevention. So, so by leveraging federal learning, real-time analytics, and collaborative intelligence, AI ensures compliance is not just a regulatory requirements but a strategic advantages. Thank you very much for listening. Like and subscribe my channel.